In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive past orders on Amazon. Archiving is a simple way to tidy up your orders page by moving purchases you don't need to see every day, like gifts or personal items, out of the default view. It doesn't delete anything, and you can still access those orders later if you need receipts, tracking details, or warranty info. First, open your web browser and go to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account where the order was placed. This works best on the desktop website. The archive option may not appear in the mobile app for some regions. If Amazon prompts you to sign in, that's normal. Just proceed to your account as usual. Next, look to the top right corner of the page and click the link labeled Returns and Orders. This takes you to the list of your recent purchases. If your browser window is narrow, the label might simply read Orders. Either way, you'll land on the page that shows your order history, along with filters and search options. On the Orders page, find the date range dropdown and select past 3 months. This focuses the list on your most recent purchases, which is often where you'll find the items you want to hide from the main view. If the order you're looking for is older, keep in mind you can change the date range later to a longer window, but start with past 3 months to follow along. Now, look through the orders displayed. When an order is eligible to be hidden from your main list, you'll see an archive order option. It typically appears near the order details or under a More Actions menu, depending on your layout. If you don't see the option, the order may be ineligible. You might be viewing a type of purchase that can't be archived, or you could be on a page layout that doesn't show it. Using the desktop site usually helps. When you're ready, click Archive Order. Amazon may ask you to confirm. Once you do, that order moves out of your default orders view. You haven't lost access, it's simply been tucked away for a cleaner, less cluttered experience. Keep in mind there is a limit to how many orders you can archive, so reserve this for items you truly want out of sight. That's it. You've gone to Amazon.com, opened your orders, focused on the past 3 months, found the archive option, and clicked to move the order out of your main list. A tidy orders page makes it faster to find what you actually need. And your archived items remain available whenever you want to review them.